Hi, welcome to another lesson for grade 2 mathematics, and today we are going to start another unit. This unit is unit number, if you have a look, it's unit number 14. So today we are going to start the unit number 14, and this is the first lesson for unit number 14. And the name of the unit is block graphs. To understand what are block graphs, this is actually a way of displaying any data, any information. It is an easy way to display the information. There are a lot of different ways to display the information. If we have, for example, in this picture you can see the list of the months is shown here. We have January, February, March, April, May. This table is giving an information about the birthday of different students in these months. So this was one way that the table is showing that in January there were two students whose birthday was in January. In February there were four students, in March one, in April three, and in May one student was there. This was one way to give the information about the details. Now there is another way. Here you can see it is shown in the form of the block graphs. In the block graphs, actually we make the blocks of the equal width. Like you can see here we have different blocks. This is block number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we draw them in the vertical form. Vertical form mean from up to down. This is the vertical form. Make sure the meaning of the vertical when we draw in this way. This is the vertical form, and if we will draw something in this way, it will be the horizontal form. So we can draw them horizontal as well as vertical to show about the number of the pupils. Like in January there were two students, so this chart height is telling us this block height. You can see this is a block in the red color for January. It is showing that there are two students in the month of January whose birthday is in the month of January. In the February, there are four students whose birthday is in the February. In the March, there is one student whose birthday is in the March. In April, there were three students, so it means the height will go till number three. You can see here from here to here. This height is showing number three. So we can say there are three students whose birthday is in April. In May, there is only one student whose the number of people are only one. So we will only take the height till number one. This side, if we will take it to this side, this is the vertical one, and this is the horizontal one. Whenever we display the data, mostly we preferably write when we are making the vertical block graphs. So the names we will write horizontally, and then their height will be in the vertical form. Like here a block graph is shown in the vertical form. You can see different blocks are shown here. This is one block, there is another block. This block is representing the sandwich, this block is representing bun, this one for the cupcake, this block is for the biscuit, and this block is for the fruit. Now we have here the number of children. This block graph shows the favorite snacks of a group of children. And here we have the number of children from starting from 0 till 15. The maximum number shown here is 15, and in this side the name of their favorite snack group is written, which food group they are choosing. So if we look at this one, the sandwich are 15. Bun cake, sorry, bun, if we look at the bun, it will go to 5. So I will say the number of buns are 5. 5 children like bun, 15 children like sandwich, and here also 5 children like cupcake. Biscuit is the favorite snack of 9 children. You can see here, if we compare from here, is for the 9 students, and fruit is a favorite for 7 students. So here we have to complete these questions keeping in mind this shape here. Study the graph and fill in the boxes. Like first one, dash children eat fruit. How many children are eating fruit? Here is the diagram for the fruit. So this is the block for the fruit in the vertical form. We can say here there are 7. So I will say 7 children eat the fruit. Then dash more children eat biscuits than buns. So we have to write about the biscuit and bun first. If I will write for the biscuit, there are 9 students eating the biscuit. Their favorite are biscuit, and 1 is for the 5. So from 9 I will minus 5, I will have 4. So 4 more children eat biscuit than once because we are taking the difference here. For number C, Dash's favorite snack for more than 10 children. If we look at this diagram, all are having are less than 10 except this sandwich. So sandwich is favorite of more than 10 because its number is 15. So I will write here sandwich, sandwich. And dash is the least popular snack. Least popular mean which less number of students like. So the least popular snack is bun and cake. They are at the equal number. So I will say any one of them you can write bun and the second one cupcake. These are the least favorite snacks. Now the mod we say the value, the highest value number which is repeated more time. You can see here sandwich is eaten by the more number of students. It is the favorite of more students. It is 15, which is having the more number. That is called the mod of that data. So I will say the mod in this block graph is here you can see. So as sandwich is for more number of students, so I will say the mod in this block graph is sandwich because sandwich is for the more number of students. So this is how we read the block graphs in a data. Inshallah, in next lesson we will come with more example in more detail. See you in next time.